Office building construction accidents.
Hi everyone, and thanks for joining us for another one of our frequently asked questions. I'm Bill Adler. Today, we'll be talking about some of the types of construction accidents that happen in commercial building projects, such as when an office building is being built.
Construction is a vital part of the growth and development of our great state, especially when that construction is bringing jobs to Texas in the form of creating new office buildings. We have some of the biggest and brightest businesses and workers, and providing more resources and office space will keep Texas moving ahead. But when it comes to building these structures, hard-working construction workers are put at risk of serious personal injury or death. Indeed, construction is one of the most dangerous jobs, often placing workers in vulnerable positions, requiring them to use hazardous machinery, or otherwise creating far too many opportunities for deadly accidents. Despite the danger, dedicated workers risk their lives to put food on the table for their families and help our state and our country continue moving forward. This is why the Texas construction accident lawyers at Jim Adler & Associates fight for the rights of construction workers and their families injured on the job site. Our personal injury law firm can handle many different types of construction cases, including falls from a height, hit by a falling object, crushed injuries, also known as caught-in-betweens, heavy equipment accidents, explosions, electrocutions, construction truck accidents, burn injuries, power tool accidents or mishaps, chemical burns or exposure, repetitive injuries, falling cranes or toppled over cranes, defective products or product mishaps, third-party liability, collapsing scaffolding, and other types of serious accidents that could result in bodily harm or wrongful death. There are many ways that these accidents could happen in Texas, with many of these accidents preventable with the proper exercise of care by construction companies, owners, other workers, contractors, and individuals or businesses working at a construction site. Individuals who are seriously injured or wrongfully killed may have a claim for workers' compensation against an employer, or may have personal injury claims against a negligent party who caused these harms. Even if you believe that you were partially at fault, you still may be entitled to recover compensation for your injuries in a Texas construction accident. However, a defense lawyer or insurance adjuster will try to reduce the amount of compensation you may be entitled to by claiming you were mainly at fault for the accident and your injuries. This is why victims and their families should seek compensation with the help of an experienced Texas construction accident lawyer like ours at Jim Adler & Associates. We stand behind all those seeking to help make Texas and our country better, and construction workers are one of the biggest drivers of success.
If you or someone you know was injured on a construction site and they'd like to discuss their legal rights, give us a call at 800-567-7575. Also, you can find more information on our website, jimadler.com.